Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of those sleek, gravity-defying Newton running shoes? Where do the ideas spark, the prototypes get tested, and the magic happens? Today, we're peeling back the curtain and uncovering the mysterious location of Newton Running headquarters. Now, you might be picturing a sprawling campus in some Silicon Valley tech hub, or maybe a minimalist design studio in a trendy urban center. But the truth, as you'll soon discover, is far more unexpected and perhaps a little bit rebellious. Buckle up, because this journey is about to take us off the beaten path, away from the glitz and glamour, and into a place where innovation thrives amidst the unexpected. Newton Running, for those unfamiliar, is a brand synonymous with a unique approach to running shoe design. Their action/reaction technology, with those distinctive lugs, has revolutionized the way many runners experience the road. But where does this revolutionary spirit originate? What kind of environment fosters such groundbreaking ideas? The answer, my friends, lies in a place you might not expect: Boulder, Colorado. Nestled at the foot of the Rocky Mountains, Boulder is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, a mecca for athletes, and a breeding ground for creativity. It's a place where the spirit of adventure and a deep connection to nature permeate every aspect of life. This vibrant community, with its emphasis on health, wellness, and a love for the outdoors, provides the perfect backdrop for a company like Newton Running. It's a place where ideas can flow freely, where inspiration is constantly bubbling to the surface, and where the connection between human movement and the natural world is deeply ingrained in the culture. Imagine a workplace where you can step out the door and be surrounded by breathtaking scenery, where a quick trail run is just minutes away, and where the spirit of exploration is woven into the very fabric of daily life. The Newton Running headquarters, while maintaining a certain level of professionalism, undoubtedly reflects this unique environment. It's a place where creativity is encouraged, collaboration is valued, and a deep respect for both human performance and the environment is paramount. Think open floor plans that foster communication, state-of-the-art testing facilities, and a strong emphasis on employee well-being. It's a place where the passion for running is palpable, and where the drive to create innovative products that enhance the runner's experience is evident in every detail. But it's not just the location that fuels Newton Running's success. It's the people. The talented designers, engineers, and athletes who bring their unique perspectives and experiences to the table. From seasoned runners to aspiring athletes, the team at Newton Running embodies the spirit of the brand. They are passionate, driven, and deeply invested in creating products that make a difference. So, the next time you lace up your Newton Running shoes and feel that unique connection to the ground, remember the journey they took to get to your feet. Remember the vibrant community of Boulder, the passion of the team, and the dedication to creating products that help runners achieve their goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.